Learning with Zachary and Zayden.
Sound Switch Wonder. Written by Christine J. Coe and Owen Wang. Illustrated by Cathy Crumpton.
So, Daddy,
Yes, sir.
why in the front no picture? Why does it say pictures by nobody?
Illustrated means the same thing as pictures by. Illustrated means the drawings, the pictures. All right. Sound Switch Wonder.
Have it wasn't.
Sound Switch Wonder.
Sound switch wonder.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
I checked the clock. Morning.
Any
It's morning time. I jump out of bed. My feet hit the ground. I feel the carpet through my toes. The first thing I do is find Mom and snuggle in peace. Before the day starts, in my blanket, so warm. For me, without sound, in the calm. My dad and brother stay asleep. They don't hear us while they dream. I don't hear either without my cochlear implants, CIs. Without them, I do not hear sounds. It's made up of a coil, magnet, sound processor, ear hook, batteries, and a charger. Maybe that makes me different, but as far as I remember, it's been the same me. I start the day with my CIs off, and when I am ready, I put them on. The rest of the day might get noisy, but I know how to make that quiet place by taking the coils off. Teapot whistling, that's okay. Brother wailing, no problem. Dog barking, fine by me. Thud. Bark, bark. All that noise, he takes his coils out and then he can't hear anything. On our walk, Dad says, I wish I can turn that noise off. Mom asks, what is no sound like? Somebody leaf blowing. I don't know what to tell them. I shrug. The question is hard, but I think about it because they always answer my questions. Beep, beep.
beep beep.
Uh-oh. Hey there. What's deaf? A part of the inside of your ear doesn't work like mine. So he is deaf. A part of his ear doesn't work. Why do I have cochlear implants? Did you ever use CIs? They give you sound and no. Will I always use CIs? You can choose. First stop, library. The sign says no loud talking. I have no idea. Maybe no sound is like the library. No sound. Shh. Tap, tap, click. It's quiet, Mom says, but there is sound. It's true. With my CIs on, I hear pages rustling, computers beeping, a man shushing. Next stop, museum. The sign says, quiet please. Maybe no sound is like a museum. But as soon as we enter, I know the quiet has sound. With my CIs on, I hear people whispering, feet tapping, bodies rustling. With my coils off, the sound stops. Put your hands over your ears, I whisper. Block the sound. Maybe the sound is like covering your ears, but no, Mom and Dad can still hear. their own breathing, swallowing, hearts beating. You're getting pretty sleepy, huh? Last stop, pool. The only sign here says no running. It's never quiet at the pool. We swim, we splash, we laugh. My brother flies through the air. Whee! His giggles bounce against the water, gone as soon as I go under.
What's he running?
He's jumping. I think Dad throwing him in the air. And suddenly I know how to share the sound. No running. That's what the sign says. Mom is first. We sink down in the water. Ears under, deeper and deeper until sound falls away. Peaceful. As we rise back to the surface, sounds return. Water dripping, kids splashing, lifeguards whistling. We do it again, alone in pairs. For long, for short, for them, for me, for us. Marco Polo. Ah! That night in bed, I am happy we shared what it is like for me. Outside the pool, my family can't do what I can. Sound on, sound off. Yes sound, no sound. I can choose. Sound switch wonder. The end. Time for bed. Sleepy head. You sleepy?
No.
Time for bed, sleepy heads.
I'm not listening.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. Have a good night's sleep.
Thanks for watching my show. Subscribe button. Bye.